What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. Here we have the Rebel behind me, and we have the 4th gen Cummins behind me now as well. And today we have a fun little video for you guys. We have some of these scents here from Chemical Guys. We are going to be kind of smell testing these, and I do have my assistants here to kind of give us an idea of how good these are or how bad they are or which one we're going to use, because we're actually going to be detailing the Cummins. Because if you guys don't know, this truck is a 2014 and it's probably the lowest mile cab chassis Cummins that I've ever heard of. It has 15,000 miles, barely over 15,000 miles, because, well, I bought it brand new and I only did short trips with it, and now I don't really drive it a whole lot except for just kind of around the area. But we are going to be cleaning this thing up, getting it smelling good, getting it looking good, and all that kind of stuff. So we are going to be seeing how these air fresheners are going to give that truck a whole new brand new smell. Maybe we have a leather smell and we have the signature scent. So I don't know, we're going to see what the girls think and see if these are worth getting. All right, so we're trying a new sound setup today too. So we do have our Rode micro here, and I'm probably going to use a lav mic eventually, but I'm just kind of holding it for today. Hopefully everything turns out well with that. But I can smell this right through the plastic, so I imagine these are fairly decently smelling, I guess, strength wise and all that. So I'm going to open these up, and yeah, we're going to start our test. All right, girls, so which one of you is more fussy about how things smell? So we have Sadie right here, we have Anna over here. Which one of you is the most fussy? Guess we're gonna find out. All right. So what we're gonna do, I was trying to think of a good way to do this on how to just maybe spray it on a piece of paper or whatever. But being that the tailgate's outside and, well, the bed could probably use some better smell anyway because I have a gas can back here. But yes, I know it's a diesel can. I've always used it for gas though. But we're just gonna spray the first one, which is the leather scent. We're gonna put that on the tailgate and we're gonna get our review from the girls. Okay, we've got some sprayed here on the tailgate. I can definitely smell it from here. So Anna, you want to try first?
Yeah.
Go ahead, give it a smell. It's a thumbs up? What do you think out of 10? 10 out of 10 is the best? 1 out of 10 is the worst? Where does it fall?
It's good.
It's good? What is it? An 8? 7, 6, 5, 10?
Mine's 5.
A 5, it's right in the middle. Okay.
Mine's 10.
You think it's a 10 out of 10? It's the best thing you've ever smelled? Okay, well, we got a 5 for Anna and we got a 10 for Sadie. So now we're going to move on to the signature scent and see where everything falls. All right, so now we have our signature scent here right in the middle. Sadie, why don't you go first? Thumbs up. What out of 10?
10.
It's a 10 too. Okay.
I give it a 10.
Oh, so do you like this one even better than the leather smell?
Yeah.
Okay, so far, signature scent has got a 10 out of 10 by both of them. All right, so now we have the new car smell right over here. Anna, you go first.
I give that a 10.
That's also a 10?
Yeah.
Wow, you guys are giving these some good reviews.
10.
10 out of 10. Okay, so we have a tie between new car smell, signature scent for 10 out of 10. Now I'm gonna smell these and give you guys my opinion. All right, so the leather smell, it's definitely a kind of an old, I guess, leather cleaner type smell. It does smell good. It kind of compares to the leather cleaner that I use in my truck, which I'm actually going to be doing a video on as well, because it works really good. And some of you guys may not have tried this before unless you've owned a certain type of truck. If that gives you guys any kind of clue. So now let's move on to the signature scent. Signature scent is definitely a little bit more sweet smelling, if that's kind of your thing. But definitely the leather is a lot more musky, kind of manly smelling. And yeah, I mean, the signature scent definitely just is not bad at all. I'd say the leather is probably about an 8 out of 10 for me. The signature, let's give it another smell. It's actually kind of hard to tell because I'm smelling the leather over top of it. So, yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, almost like a sweet perfumey kind of smell. And it's not bad, definitely not bad at all. I think I might actually even go with that one. So I'm saying the signature is, it's probably about a 9 out of 10 for me. Now let's go to the new car smell. See, the new car smell, it's not new car smell. It's not like, you know, everybody knows that new car smell, and it's not exactly that for me, but I think it's actually, Sadie says she loves it. It's kind of a mix between the two, to be honest. Like, I don't know. I feel it's kind of musky like the leather, but it's got maybe, I don't know. It's maybe because I'm smelling some of the cross draft here, but it's more of a musky smell than a new car smell. I'd say that's maybe my least favorite out of the three, but I'd say signature scent is still definitely my favorite. All right, so now that we've rated all three of them, the girls are gonna choose their absolute favorite between the three. So Sadie, you go first. Which one's your absolute favorite? You can point to the one that you like the best. That one, new car smell. Okay, well, Sadie says new car smell is her favorite. How about you, Anna?
I give this one.
You want new car smell as well? Okay. So the girls picked new car smell as their absolute favorite, and I'm gonna go with signature scent, and I'll probably use a leather scent as well, but I think my leather cleaner will probably give me this scent anyways, but I'm gonna go with signature just because it kind of gives you almost like more of an air freshener scent. But the girls have spoken. They love the new car smell. So you guys be the judge if you guys want to grab these and try them out in your car. There's definitely a little bit of feedback here, what the kids think and what I think. So just a fun little video for you guys. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and keep that hammer down.
Keep that hammer down.